Hey everyone! Did you know that the field of AI is growing faster than ever? And guess what? It's not just for tech wizards anymore. Anyone can dive into it and start creating amazing projects. So, if you've ever been curious about AI, stick around because today we're going to break it down into super simple steps. Let's get right into it. Starting your first AI project might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's not as hard as you think. The key is to take that very first step. In this video, we're going to explore how you can kickstart your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to brush up on your skills, I promise you'll find something valuable here. Welcome to my channel, AI Did Not Know That, where I try to share my passion of learning new things with you. Now, let's talk about some challenges you might be facing as a beginner. I get it, there's a ton of information out there, and it can feel overwhelming. You might be thinking, where do I even start? Or I don't have the right resources. Many new learners feel lost when it comes to finding the right tools or understanding complex concepts. Plus, the fear of failure can be paralyzing. But here's the thing, everyone starts somewhere, and many of those challenges can be overcome with the right approach and mindset. So let's tackle this together and turn those challenges into stepping stones. Without any further ado, let's get into the nitty-gritty of starting your AI project. First off, you need to define your problem. Something you would like to resolve on your own, even a small problem. It helps give a purpose to your project. What do you want your AI to do? Here are 5 random but cool, well, I think they are cool, examples to get you thinking. Idea number 1, the what's in my fridge? AI. Imagine this, you open your fridge, snap a pic, and your AI tells you exactly what fruits and veggies you have. No more forgetting about that lonely bell pepper in the back. This project is awesome because it's visual, fun, and you can collect the data yourself. Just take photos of your own produce. Plus, you can use a tool called Teachable Machine, which lets you train an AI without writing a single line of code. How cool is that? Idea number 2, the Mood Music Maestro. We all have those days, right? Sometimes you need a good cry playlist, and other times you're feeling like a total rock star. How about building an AI that recommends songs based on your mood? You can use pre-labeled playlists or datasets with mood tags, making it easier to get started. Start simple with a few basic moods like happy, sad, energetic, and relaxed. Idea number 3, the handwriting hero, but with just one letter. We're not going to build a whole handwriting recognition system right off the bat. Let's start small and mighty. Train your AI to recognize just one handwritten letter, like your initial. This is perfect because it keeps the scope manageable. You can write that letter a bunch of times on paper to create your data set, and boom, you're learning about image processing without getting overwhelmed. Idea number 4, the doggy mood decoder. Okay, this one is for all my pet lovers out there. Ever wish you could read your dog's mind and know if they're truly happy? Well, you can get close by building an AI that analyzes their facial expressions in photos. Gather up those adorable dog pics, or find some online, and train your AI to detect those telltale signs of doggy joy or sadness. Idea number 5, the color palette Picasso. Let's get artsy. Imagine an AI that can look at any image and extract the main colors to create a beautiful color palette. This is a super cool project because the results are visually appealing. And the best part? You can use any image you find online or even take your own photos. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of image analysis and color theory. Once you have a clear goal, the next step is choosing the right tools. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms out there, perfect for beginners. Here's a small list to get you started, and I'll add the links to them in the description below. Number 1, Google Colab. This cloud-based platform requires no setup and provides free access to powerful computing resources. You can write and execute Python code directly in your browser, making it ideal for learning and experimenting with AI. By the way, Python is a programming language which is like a set of instructions that you give to a computer to make it do something. It's known for being easy to learn and read even for beginners. Number 2, Jupyter Notebook. Similar to Colab, Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It's a great option if you prefer working offline or want more customization options. Number 3, Teachable Machine by Google. This is a fantastic tool for beginners to get hands-on experience with machine learning. You can train a model to recognize images, sounds, or poses directly in your browser, without writing a single line of code. Now let's talk about data. The saying goes, data is the new oil. Nerd humor alert. You'll need good quality data to train your AI model. Don't worry if you don't have your own datasets. There are tons of publicly available datasets online like number 1, Kaggle Datasets. This platform hosts a vast collection of datasets on various topics, from image classification to natural language processing. You can find datasets for almost any project you can think of. Number 2, UCI Machine Learning Repository. Another great resource for finding datasets is the UCI Machine Learning Repository. It offers a wide variety of datasets for both educational and research purposes. Number 3, Google Dataset Search. This search engine helps you find datasets hosted across the web. You can search for specific datasets or browse by category. Finally, once you have your problem defined, your tools set up, and your data ready, you can start building and experimenting. There are even beginner-friendly libraries to help you, like these ones. Number 1, Scikit-learn. This Python library provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. It's a great starting point for learning about different machine learning algorithms. Number 2, TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is a powerful open-source library for numerical computation and large-scale machine learning. While it can be more complex than Scikit-learn, it offers greater flexibility and scalability. Number 3, PyTorch. Developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, PyTorch is another popular open-source machine learning library. It's known for its dynamic computation graph and its wide adoption in the research community. Remember, it's all about trial and error, so don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. I would even add that mistakes are part of the process. You know, it's easy to think that building AI is only for geniuses who code in their sleep, but I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Let me tell you about someone I find incredibly inspiring. Her name is Sarah, and she was a total beginner to AI, just like many of you. She had this idea. She was always out hiking and wanted to identify the plants she saw. Sound familiar? Well, Sarah decided to build her own plant identifier, kind of like the PlantNet app. She took a few online tutorials. There are amazing free ones on Coursera and Fast.ai. Then she found free image datasets on Kaggle. That's a goldmine. And you know what? Using a tool called Teachable Machine, she actually built her own plant recognition model in just a few weeks. I'm not kidding. It worked so well that she even shared it on her social media. Sarah's story just goes to show that with a little passion, the right resources, which are often free, and a dash of determination, you can make your own AI dreams a reality. It's totally within your reach. So, to wrap things up, remember that starting your AI project doesn't have to be daunting. Just follow these essential steps. Number 1, define your problem. Number 2, choose your tools. Number 3, gather your data. Number 4, start experimenting. Extra tip, don't forget to have fun. This is a learning experience, and although frustration will also be part of the process, the joys of having new skills will shine through. I promise. AI is more accessible than ever, and with a little bit of imagination and persistence, you can definitely make it happen. I want to hear from you. What project ideas are you thinking about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video where we'll dive into some advanced AI techniques that can take your projects to the next level. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the AI Did Not Know That channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and let's get started on your AI journey together.